What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Milady meme coin, which did take a little bit of a pump earlier this afternoon, dropped back down in value. So we're going to be looking at what is this all about. Is it a teaser that is going to pump up soon, or is it going to keep crashing in value like it has been over the last 2 to 3 weeks? As you guys can see here, major drops in value. So essentially looking at its prediction for 2024, is now the right time to buy it as it has taken quite of a dip, or should you wait for it to drop further, or should you just avoid it at all cost? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and it's another day that the average value of Milady meme coin is above the actual value, meaning it is still not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we're not looking too great. We still got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, Milady meme coin should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. So do expect more red candles over the coming hours, but of course it is likely to hit green candles in between as well. So it will be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So Milady meme coin should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, just because it's going to drop in value, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major crash or a major drop. It is going to be very minimal guys. So yeah, nothing too major is expected. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So finally, a little bit of a good news here. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by the end of next week, early the week after that, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So after a couple of, early the next week, we should expect more red days, and then mid to end of next week it should be followed by green candles. So an overall increase in value is expected from Milady meme coin over the next week or so. So at the moment, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting at the moment. But if there are any major changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated. Yes, I am expecting more green candles towards the end of next week, because I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving towards a positive direction by mid to late January, including Bitcoin heading over $45,000, 46 as well, $46,000 by mid to end of January. So this should have a positive impact on the crypto market overall. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Looking not too good, because the blue and the orange line are both looking negative, heading towards the bearish direction, and they are indeed looking quite steep as well. So this is of course not realistic. So as mentioned in my previous updates, Milady meme coin should go through an overall increase in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late March 2024, I am expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, higher than where it was trading back in mid-December. As you guys can see here, I am expecting it to pass that level as well. So over the next approximately 2.5 months, it should have gone through an overall major increase in value. But this is my take as of right now. and because the crypto market has been quite volatile over the last couple of days and weeks as well, I have been keeping us updated on a regular basis on Milady meme coin, just in case any of the factors have a major impact on this crypto, either in a positive or negative direction. I will make sure to keep these videos coming, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to keep in the loop on my takes and predictions on Milady meme coin, as you guys seem to enjoy these updates on the crypto. So let's get rid of this. Bringing on the Fibonacci scale, there isn't much I can say here because I've already covered this in my previous updates, but yes, I'm expecting it to hit the resistance target around mid to late February, and potentially head into the green zone towards the very end of Q1 or early Q2 of 2024. So just to make that a little bit more clearer, around March April time, I am expecting Milady meme coin to be heading into the green zone, but again, depending on how the crypto market performs. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 25% in the last 24 hours. Reason for that is it did take a little bit of a pump earlier this morning, as you guys can see here, and then dropped back down in value. So when it was pumping up, a lot more people did start trading the crypto, a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers buying and selling the crypto, which did increase the trading volume, and in return which did take a little bit of an increase on the value, but soon after that it has dropped back down, which is not too great. But yeah, at the moment, for the long term, we are looking quite good, but for the short term, over the next couple of hours and days, do expect more red days followed by green days by mid to late January and the coming months after that as well. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying these updates, comment down below and I'll be sure to try my best to keep you guys updated on a daily basis on Milady meme coin. And also comment down below how many zeros I got, if you haven't already, in our previous updates, how many zeros can the Milady meme coin get rid of in 2024. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if any of you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, comment them down below as well, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. At the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace. What is